Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using these wood planks from Dollar Tree and a salt shaker from Dollar General. I painted one wood plank with toasted terra cotta acrylic paint, and that is by Folkart. Two of them I painted with rusted pipe acrylic paint, and that's also by Folkart, and one with antique white by Apple Barrel, so 4 total. I then used 2 of these 12-inch stir sticks I get from Amazon, painted them with that rusted pipe color as well. And then I'm using these 2-inch letters I get from Amazon, and I'm painting those with burnt umber acrylic paint, and that's by Apple Barrel. Next, I'm using one of the plank wood pieces, and I'm putting some tumbling blocks for spacing to get my spacing right on either side. I add hot glue to the stir stick and place that down, making sure it's flush with the side. I do the same thing on the other side of that piece of plank wood. On the opposite side of those stir sticks, I am putting on another piece of plank wood, marking the spacing for those with the tumbling blocks, adding the hot glue, and adding those stir sticks down. Again, making sure they're flush with the sides. I flip it over and add the other 2 pieces of wood, hot gluing those into place. I place down the wood letters on the top, and I brush on tacky glue onto the backs of each of those and place them down, just eyeballing it to get the spacing. After I have them placed down, I do use my square and just make sure that they are even on the bottom. Next, I take my salt shaker from Dollar General, remove the cap, I won't be using that, and then wrap some twine around that and tie that in a knot and cut off the excess tails. I make a little bow for it, wrapping the twine around my fingers, removing the loop, and then adding some twine to the center of that and knotting that real tight, cutting off the excess, and then hot gluing that on top of the twine on the top of the salt shaker. And I should have waited to hot glue this on to the sign because I need to flip it over and add a hanger. But I added Gorilla Grip glue as well as hot glue to the salt shaker and placed that down on my sign. And then took these florals from different places and stacked them together in my hand, keeping them together in a bunch. And then I wrap some twine around that and knot it real tight, and then keep wrapping it all the way up and then all the way down. When I get to the bottom, I trim up some of the stems and then hot glue the bottom so the twine stays in place, and then wrap it all the way back up and hot glue it and cut off the excess. I then set that aside because I need to add my hanger, so I flip it over and add some blocks to keep it up into place. Add some twine and a staple on either side, making sure it's on top of the stir stick and the plank wood so it doesn't go through. Add some hot glue, knot the twine right against the staple, and cut away the excess. And then I just place my florals into the salt shaker. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.